Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best epoxy molds is probably one of the most versatile tools for any DIY jewelry maker. Whether you're a seasoned artisan or just starting out, the right molds can transform your creative visions into stunning wearable art. In this video, we'll dive into some of the top-rated epoxy molds available, exploring their features, ease of use, and the unique jewelry pieces you can create. Number 5. Resin Ring Mold Silicone for Epoxy Resin. These silicone molds are perfect for making rings, earrings, and pendants. They come in various sizes and styles, allowing you to create unique jewelry pieces. It's a great way to express your creativity. The molds offer both round and rhombic face designs. You can choose the style that best suits your project. They provide versatility for different design preferences. The package includes a mold with a length of about 9.8 inches and a width of 2.6 inches. The size is suitable for most fingers. It ensures a comfortable fit for the finished rings. The smooth surface ensures easy release of the resin. Simply pour the resin, let it cool, and you'll have a perfect ring. It's designed to be user-friendly, even for beginners. These molds can be used for various crafts, including rings, pendants, and earrings. You can also create keychains and other jewelry crafts. The possibilities are endless with this product. Made from food-grade silicone, the molds are durable and flexible. They are resistant to high temperatures and offer high transparency. This ensures the final product is of excellent quality. What we like. This mold offers a variety of ring face designs, allowing you to create diverse jewelry pieces. The smooth surface makes demolding a breeze, perfect for beginners. If you are looking for a versatile mold to make rings, earrings, and pendants with ease, this is the one for you. What people say. One side is shiny, the other side is matte. Great mold, details are good. Easy to use, great quality. Number 4. Let's Resin Storage Box Molds. This storage box mold kit includes wooden boards to prevent deformation during resin pouring. This ensures a flawless storage box every time. The molds are made of high-quality silicone, making them flexible and durable. These molds are designed for repeated use, offering great value. The silicone material is resistant to tearing and built to last. You can create many storage boxes with this one kit. The sliding lid design allows for easy access and increased storage. You can use both sides of the lid. It's perfect for small items like jewelry or keychains. Get creative and customize your storage box. Add dried flowers, glitter, or pigments to make it unique. You can even add crystal quartz for an extra touch. These molds are great for epoxy resin art and storing various items. Use it for jewelry, tarot cards, or cosmetics. It also makes a great gift box for friends and family. Let's Resin is committed to providing a great customer experience. If you have any issues, please contact us. We are here to help and ensure you are satisfied with your purchase. What we like. This mold allows you to create functional storage boxes with a unique sliding lid design. You can personalize the box with dried flowers, glitter, or other embellishments. If you like to create a unique storage solution for jewelry, tarot cards, or small items, this mold is a great choice. What people say. The mold is good quality and the wooden frame is easy to put together and works perfectly to keep the box shape after pouring. The lid fits perfectly on the base and even has a small lip to help you lift the lid up. Really easy to make and unmold with these gorgeous soft quality silicone. Number 3. Christmas Resin Earring Molds Kit. This kit includes 4 Christmas resin earring molds in various shapes. They are perfect for creating unique earrings, necklaces, and keychains. It's a fun way to express yourself. Made from high-quality silicone, these molds are durable and easy to clean. They won't break or deform, ensuring your creations come out perfectly every time. Store it away from heat and dust. Design beautiful jewelry for your loved ones with these molds. It's a thoughtful and fun gift for birthdays, Christmas, or any special day. Share the joy of crafting with them. Simply twist the mold to release your finished product after the resin sets. The molds have a point hole design, so you don't need to drill any holes. It's convenient and easy to use. These molds are compatible with various resins and casting materials. You can make keychains, earrings, rings, and more. Let your imagination run wild and create something unique. What we like. This kit provides Christmas-themed earring molds in various shapes, perfect for festive crafting. The molds are designed for easy use, and you don't need to drill holes after finishing. If you are looking for a fun and graceful gift for the holiday season, this is a great choice. What people say. I discovered that you can place a cabochon into the center of two of the flowers and pour the resin around it. Beautiful dimensional pendant or earrings. I've made earrings using these molds and I really likes them. They are good quality silicone molds that are durable and early to use. So many different things I can do with these. Started on the back side and make the little areas that are missing from the front side to go into it and make it 3D. So yeah, this is really cool. Number 2. Let's Resin UV Resin Kit. This upgraded UV resin is developed with high-quality materials, minimizing odor for a more confident crafting experience. It has a low shrinkage rate and excellent hardness, perfect for jewelry and crafts. This kit is ideal for making beautiful necklaces, earrings, and pendants. The included UV lamp with 8 lamp beads improves work efficiency, shortening curing time. It offers 2 timer settings, 60 and 120 seconds. The kit also comes with mixing tools and a silicone mat to keep your workspace clean. These tools help you create unique UV resin works. With a viscosity of 2000 CPS, this UV resin can bond various materials like glass and crystal crafts. It's also great for 3D paintings and creating bubble textures. This resin provides you with more creative space to create beautiful and dazzling works. The resin is added with antioxidants, making the finished work more transparent and yellow resistant. It's suitable for any light transmitting material and perfect for making micro landscapes. The result is stunning and long-lasting. Store the resin in a cool place and test a small amount before use. Ensure surfaces are clean and dry before bonding. Always use a UV lamp for curing and avoid touching the resin immediately after irradiation. Let it cool to avoid burns and fingerprints. What we like. This UV resin kit features low odor and excellent hardness, making it safe and durable. The included UV light and silicone mat improve work efficiency and keep your workspace clean. If you are looking for a high-quality, easy-to-use UV resin kit for jewelry and crafts, this is a great choice. What people say. The molds are easy to use and the resin pops right out. The variety of shapes and sizes is great for different projects. The molds are well made and durable. Number 1. Paxcoo 678 PCS Resin Jewelry Making Kit. This kit includes everything you need to start making your own jewelry. It comes with a variety of molds and findings, allowing you to create unique earrings and other crafts. It's perfect for beginners and experienced crafters alike. The package includes 28 different resin molds and 650 pieces of jewelry findings. You'll find earring hooks, jump rings, and more. This comprehensive set eliminates the need to buy extra supplies. The silicone molds are durable and flexible, making them easy to use and clean. They are also tear-proof and reusable. These molds will help you create beautiful and long-lasting jewelry pieces. With 65 different mold designs, you can explore your creativity. The kit includes earring molds, jewelry molds, ring molds, and bracelet molds. You can make a wide range of jewelry styles. The molds have a smooth inner surface, making it easy to demold your creations. The resin projects will come out looking outstanding. This kit makes jewelry making a simple and enjoyable process. What we like. This kit includes a wide variety of jewelry molds and all the findings you need to get started. The molds are easy to use and demold, making the crafting process simple. If you are a beginner looking for a comprehensive kit to make earrings and other jewelry, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The molds are easy to use and the resin pops right out. The variety of shapes and sizes is great for making different types of jewelry. The molds are very flexible and durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.